All right, hey guys, we're on the range today, and we are going to be shooting at night. Guns, but at night. It's going to be a good time. We're going to get some good practice in, play around with the new Shorty 5.56 upper, as well as test out that SMS laser and get some more time on the R&V 31s. Let's do it. Stand by.
Watch your muzzle, downrange, please. To your right. Step left. Look right, step left a little bit. Watch the wall. You see between the barrels? There you go, right? I got them too. Okay, sorry. Clear. Ready. Bye.
All right, guys, taking a brief pause from the video, not for an advertising segment, but for a segment that says, I'm not going to sit here and make you watch me shoot at a target in the dark and miss for 65 seconds. So that's a waste of your time. I have finally found where the R&V 31s, which I've previously reviewed, I'll put that one of these spots above me, finally found where they fall short. And that is seeing things far away in low light conditions. So this past Saturday, whenever I was shooting the night match, the loom was around 40% and it was super humid. So there was a lot of moisture in the air. And what I found was I could not identify any of these targets past like 150, 200 yards. Anything close to 200 was just pure luck. I was using the laser and looking for it to like refract off the metal target onto the ground. But in real life, if I needed to use this laser, it would not work like that. Like people don't normally reflect. Sorry, things don't normally reflect light like that directly onto the ground. And so that's the only way I was able to hit some of these targets because I could not see them through my nods. So I was trying to figure out if it was the nods, if it was me, or if it was the laser. So I put on my buddy Paul's set and was watching people run, and I was like, wow, I can see the targets all the way out at 400 yards. So definitely where these fall short. Do they suck? No. they're definitely still perfectly fine for most things. Shooting within 200 yards, you can see, you can identify targets easily. It has good enough light transmission, especially with the illuminator. But yeah, no, it was definitely, so I'll save you guys the time. I'm not going to make you sit there and watch me shoot at targets. I'll cut to the next stages, and I'm going to cut out the rifle sections that are longer distance. I'll let you watch me miss a few times, I guess, but you'll see. I mean, I start playing with my laser to try to use the illuminator. I tightened it up a bunch and tried to use that as a laser, but the problem is that's offset to the left. So once you go out, 300 yards, there's no telling where that illuminator's pointing anymore because it's not zeroed for that. But I try to make it work, and it didn't. But that's why we go out and train. That's why we shoot. That's why we do this kind of stuff, is to learn the upper limits of our gear. And this thing's upper limit has been found. Bad visibility in lower light conditions, because night vision is not magic. It needs ambient light in the environment to work. And since these are lower quality tubes and lower quality glass, I cannot see past 200 yards. So anyways, back to shooting. Hello, I'm back again, and now we are done the video. Thank you for watching the video, and if you guys enjoyed it, let me know. If you guys are curious about my night vision setup, it's the same from the review video basically at this point. So I'll have that linked again maybe. But if you guys are more interested in a rifle build video, I will more than happily talk about this bad Larry. This thing has been super fun so far. It has done me very, very well. I'm very happy with it. Shooting out to like 400 or 500 yards so far. And it does really great, even though it's a little short pistol. For now. Until that tax stamp thing goes away. But yeah, if that's something you guys would be interested in, comment below. I might just make it anyways, because I want to talk about that gun, because it's a lot of fun. It shoots really well. I'll be able to throw up some fun videos blasting that thing and stuff like that. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the night match, and I will see you on the next one. But until then, stay hydrated, stay strapped, and stay blessed, guys. Thank you. Okay.
Just do a dry run real quick.
Yeah. You going? Okay. Good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should I wave? What do I do with my hands?
Yeah, no, this is a
Yeah.
good
Yeah.